Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with the leaders of SCO nations including Russian Pakistan Vladimir Putin, Chinese President Xi Jinping, Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, Uzbekistan President Shavkat Mirziyoyev are participating in the 22nd SCO summit at Samarkand in Uzbekistan. More than 216 crore 17 lakh vaccine doses have been administered in the country so far under national-wide vaccination drive. The e-auction of gifts presented to Prime Minister Narendra Modi will begin tomorrow. The auction will go on till the 2nd of October. A book titled Ambedkar and Modi, Reformers, Ideas, Performance, Implementation will be released by former President Ramnath Kovind in New Delhi today. The National Testing Agency has declared the result for the Common University Entrance Test Undergraduate 2022.